Hi everyone, I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. In this video, I want to show you how you can join the Windows 11 Insiders program. Before we start, I want to bring to your attention the following thing, is that the Windows Insiders programs, it's true that it will bring you features that are not yet released to the public, but these features might not be stable. So I do not advise you to activate Windows Insider program on your production machine. For instance, for me, I'm going to activate it on a virtual machine, and I advise you also to do it either on a virtual machine or on a machine that you don't mind if it crashes from time to time. So let's start. I'm going to switch to my Windows 11 virtual machine here. So here I am on my Windows 11 virtual machine. And to do this, you need to do the following thing. First, go to Settings. And then under Settings here, you need to go first to Privacy and Security, and under Privacy and Security, you need to click on Diagnostics and Feedback, and here you need to activate the Send Optional Diagnostic Data if it is not already activated. So click here on the Off button to turn it on. So now it is on. And now to activate the Windows Insiders program, let me first make this a little bit bigger. You need to go to Windows Update. And under Windows Update, you see here you have Windows Insider program. Click on it. And then click on Get Started. And here it will ask you to link an account. So in order for you to be able to do this, you need a Microsoft account. So you need to be logged into your Windows 11 PC with a Microsoft account. So here it is my case. So I'm going to click on Link an Account. And here I'm going to choose my knowledge sharing account, which is on Outlook. And then click on Continue. And here you have three channels: Dev channel, Beta channel, and Release Preview channel. For the Dev channel, it is really unstable. And on top of this also, if you join the Dev channel and you want to quit the Windows Insider program later on, you cannot do it without wiping your PC completely. Whereas if you join the Beta channel or the Release Preview channels, you can wait for the next major Windows update, and then you can leave the Windows Insider program. So I advise you to go with the Beta channel, and this is what I'm gonna do here. So I'm making sure it is selected, and then I'm gonna click on Continue. So here it will tell you to review the agreements. So feel free to read the agreements if you want. I already read them before. So I'm gonna click on Continue. And here, this is what you need to do. It will tell you restart your device and check for updates, and leave your device on and plugged in, and here see what's new on the Windows Insider program website. So if I'm gonna click on Restart Now, so now my machine joined the Windows Insider program and it is restarting. And now to get the latest features that are available to the Insider program, you need to go to Windows Update, and I'm gonna show you how to do this. So you need to sign in with your account that is linked to the Windows Insider program. And here my machine is started, and now it is joined to the Windows Insider program. So let's check for updates to see what updates we have. So go to Settings, and then Windows Update. And let's check for updates. And you see the machine now is getting preview updates. So this is a preview update. So let me show you now how you can edit and modify your Windows Insider program, and even leave the program if you want to leave it. So click here on Windows Insider program under Windows Update in Settings. And here you see we have the same options. So here you can change the channel if you want to change the channel. And you can change your Windows Insider account. And you can stop altogether the Windows Insider program for your machine if you find it unstable or something like that. And notice here that under Unenroll this device when the next version of Windows releases, that it is only available for the Beta and Release Preview channels, and it is not available for the Dev channel, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video. So if you turn this on, you will leave the Windows Insider program when the next major version of Windows releases. So it will be installed, and it will take you out of the Windows Insider program like this. So that was everything on how to join the Windows Insiders program. I hope that my video will help you in achieving this. If you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and it will help the channel greatly. I want to thank you all for watching, and see you in the next video.